from faraway Australia.
Bro, are you okay?
You can do it!
Oh my god.
He moved like a wolf, yeah, the first time I saw him. Wondered how many hearts he had marked for the taking. But if he's the hunter, then I'll be the siren, luring him to my island, my island, my island. Some guys just play by the book, he don't follow the rules, no. Got a reputation, but he carries it so cool. So I know he's a danger, a beautiful stranger. This is my new flavor, my flavor, my flavor. Oh, oh, I know where this story goes. Oh, 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 one look and we're losing all control. Secret that nobody has to know. Yeah, nobody has to know. When the city is asleep in my head, you don't know the games we play instead. My love. When the city is asleep in my head, I know the story ends with you, so I'll play my part. So are you playing your part? She moves like a siren the first time that you saw me, singing songs and pulling strings, a perfect tragedy. But if I'm the storm, then he can ride the lightning. We'll build our own new kingdom.